I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to disable and turn off Google Print Service notifications in Google Photos. Step 1. Open the Google Photos app on your iPhone, iPad, or Android device. Step 2. Tap your Google profile icon on this screen to open a menu, and then tap Photo Settings in this menu. If you're using an Apple device, this may say Google Photos Settings. Step 3. Tap Notifications in the list of options. Step 4. Navigate to the Printing section where you'll see 3 options. Tap to toggle off all of these options: Printing Promotions, Printing Drafts, and Prints for You. You'll no longer be presented with Google Print Service notifications in Google Photos. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.